Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Roblox in Nintendo Switch. So if you want to play Roblox on your Nintendo Switch, so you just have to follow the steps or the methods that I'm about to show you in this video. So currently there is no official Roblox application for the Switch yet. However, I will show you the best ways to access it step by step. So in the first method, what you can do is you can simply use Roblox on your Switch with the help of cloud gaming services. So you can use services like GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming if it is available in your region. So if you have Xbox Cloud Gaming, you can visit to Xbox website using the web browser method, and you can even log in into your account. If Roblox is supported on Xbox Cloud, you can launch it and play directly. In the second method, what you can do is you can use the PC and mobile or tablet for full access, and Xbox or PlayStation for console gameplay. So since Roblox isn't officially on the Switch yet, these are some of the alternatives that you can use in order to get the supported device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.